Non-stop universal hits.
Oh, so good, dude. What do you think? It's a work of art, huh? Oh, just making sure it all goes well. You an inspector? Okay, that makes sense, actually. You have the inspector vibe about you. Okay, so this is gonna be wild. I'm gonna show this to you. It's a work in progress, all right? Don't tell anybody else. All right, I'm working on a universal monster coaster. Yeah? What do you think? Pretty sick, huh? See, this is all official too. This Dracula, that's exactly what it's gonna look like. They call me the Picasso of blueprints around here, you know. I don't want to toot my own horn, but you seem like you can appreciate art, so I figured I'd let you know. That's the ride vehicle. You're gonna be in a little coffin there. And then that's exactly what the Wolfman's gonna look like. See, we got the Invisible Man too. That's a one-to-one replica right there. And then as far as this goes, I mean, we're ahead of progress. I don't know if you can tell. It's a work of art. We got a couple wizards from Wizarding World to make things go a little faster, make a little magic happen, if you will.
Order 111, 111.
That's our official blueprint.
111.
So I've been telling people, I think we need to reference the old King Kong ride, you know? So we got a giant dong here.
10011, 10011.
He's gonna be shouting family at everybody while he shakes the tracks, and then he also screams no. You know, like the studio feature film. Oh, I'm glad you approve of everything so far, because I was nervous, honestly. I was pretty nervous. I thought you were gonna go, wow, you know, back to the drawing board. It looks like a 4-year-old drew that, but you know, maybe that was just me being shy, huh?